We do have our first caller this evening. I think I heard it correctly. Julie, if you are ready, you are on the air.
Yes, I am calling. My daughter and her boyfriend have been together for 14 years and have recently had 2 kids, and now they've decided to call it quits. What rights does he have to the children?
Okay, Julie, that's a very good question. It's a question that the answer has changed within like the last 8 months. So it sounds like that they're not married, which means they've had a child out of wedlock, which is not that uncommon anymore. Before July 1st of last year, that meant that the mother was the guardian of the child and had all the rights. But as of July 1st of 2023, there are some new laws that go into place. When they split up, neither parent has a superior right to the child, either for parental responsibility and or custody. Now, they still need to go to court, and they still need to fill out the right paperwork and go before a judge and have what's called a parenting plan or time-sharing plan put into place. But at this point in time, neither party has a superior right to the child. But what you do want to do is file what's called a paternity action. If he's on the birth certificate, then paternity has already been established, but the paternity action is the vehicle in which you get it in front of a judge and ask for a parenting plan, which involves time sharing, school designation, all kinds of stuff. But essentially, that's also something else that's changed. Right now, there is a presumption that both parties shall have 50-50 custody or equal time sharing. That was not something that was presumed or on the table, I guess, a year ago, but it is now. It's what they call a rebuttable presumption, and basically what you do is the judge starts and says, all right, guys, it's going to be 50-50 custody. Mom's going to have 50% of the time, dad's going to have 50% of the time, unless you tell me a reason, a very specific or very good reason as to why it shouldn't be one way or the other. But I think that answers your questions in the most general terms.
And yeah, I would just always say follow up. They need to contact an attorney, especially with the law changing, 8 months ago. They need an attorney who's experienced and can walk them through the changes in the law.
And Brian, you're absolutely right about that. It's definitely something you want to seek an attorney about.